Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the jet pump and replace the wear ring on a 2015 Seadoo Spark. Now fortunately this one does not have the IBR braking system, so we don't have to worry about that. But if you are going to remove the jet pump and it does have the IBR, you're going to have to remove that IBR system first, which is a couple additional steps. First, you want to make sure you have the right tools. So you're going to have a 10mm socket right here for this bolt, and also a 10mm wrench for this lock nut here. And then for these mounting bolts, you're going to have a 12mm socket and probably an extension to reach to those ones in the back, and then also a little quarter socket, or maybe even a Phillips or flat screwdriver to remove this hose clamp right here. So first things first is to remove this steering cable bolt. So with that 10mm socket and 10mm wrench, just go ahead and take that one loose. Once you get that loose, just kind of move the steering cable to the side. And then next you want to take your 12mm socket and remove these three bolts. There's one in the back here, the one down here to the left, and the one down here to the right. And then last but not least, remove this hose clamp. Just kind of slide it back on the hose and then pull it off right there. So once you get all of those removed, then this jet pump's going to be free, and you just kind of wiggle it and pull it back, and you'll be able to access your wear ring. Then you can replace it, put a new one on there. There is going to be a rubber gasket that goes onto the front. It's going to seal it to the front, and you want to make sure you put that new gasket on the new wear ring. And then before you put it off, put the jet pump back in, you put the impeller on the drive shaft. You do probably want to add some grease there so it doesn't seize up or anything like that. So once you get all those steps done, just putting it back in place is kind of reverse order. Start by putting these bolts back in the back, and then last put in this bolt right here for the steering cable, and then you should be all set. So I appreciate you guys for watching as always, and if you have any questions, comments, just leave them down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching.